You asked for it, so we made it. Continued with our GK series, Epomaker is back with our first 10-keyless keyboard. Meet the Epomaker AK84S, an 84-key wireless hot-swappable mechanical keyboard with versatility. It's ready to bring the best customizable experience to you, even for the keycaps, case, and switches. On top of the premium PBT and ABS keycap versions, the AK84S is equipped with a new set of silicone keycaps, offering a soft and tendering tactile feeling. The silicone keycaps allow you to replace keycaps easily without using any tools. Combining with the included keycap holder, the silicone keycap sits stably just like all the premium PBT keycaps. Being eager on trying it? Order an AK84S now on our Kickstarter campaign. Get a new set of silicone keycaps for free. The AK84S is available with several types of designs, including the aluminum frame combination version, full aluminum case version, and a unique bold acrylic translucent version. Being hot swappable, the AK84S allows you to easily replace the switches without any soldering. Gateron switches and our new proprietary chocolate switches are available. The universal requirement of engineering tolerance for switches operation force is 15 G. However, after conducting millions of tests and research, we successfully tightened the tolerance of operation force to 5 G. This means the chocolate switches can precisely recognize the subtle differences of each finger press, delivering an unparalleled customized tactile experience. Connect whichever devices in the way you like. The AK84S is perfect for Windows and is optimized for macOS. Simply press the function and a designated key. You can effortlessly switch the layout to fit your personal needs. It can connect to up to 4 devices at once, allowing you to build an intuitive multitasking workflow. You can either enjoy its reliable wireless connection supported by the Bluetooth 5.1 chipset or use a Type-C cable to connect. The adjustable footprints offer ergonomic angles for comfortable typing. Embedded with 16.8 million RGB backlit, the AK84S lights on your desk in your mood. A supportive software allows you to customize the backlit options and remap the keys. Perfect for Windows, born for macOS. Redefine your typing experience with the Epomaker AK84S mechanical keyboard.